If you have a dog and you're tired of muddy paws destroying your trunk, then this Carhartt Cargo Liner is for you. So this Carhartt Cargo Liner we got for my car, and I can show you how to install it, how it fits, and why we chose this one over cheaper versions. Hi, I'm Alina, and this is my pup Gunny, and today we're actually saving my trunk from muddy paws, so let's get into it. So this is Carhartt Universal Cargo Liner, and it's actually meant to protect your trunk from dirty boots, wet gear, maybe if you're going on the beach, or just muddy paws from your dog. And another reason why I like this one over other, because it's not just covering my trunk flat, it's also covering the sides. Okay, quick real life moment. Usually when we go on a walk, my pup's paws get super muddy, and of course today is a nice sunny day, but they still get super dirty, and sometimes he brings a lot of dirt, drags a lot of leaves and all kinds of pine needles. And what's happened, I usually put him right here in the trunk, and then it just all gets super dirty. It turns into like little mini farmhouse when he starts wiggling around, running around while I try to still clean his paws. So today we're actually solving this problem with this Carhartt liner, because this one can protect not just back, not just sides, but also all of the area in my truck. And here's another one real big reason why we got this Carhartt Cargo Liner. So as you can see, I actually drive Honda Pilot, and my TrailSport Pilot has a 2-row seats in the back. And sometimes what happens is that I have that middle section where part of my trunk is always visible, and sometimes I have some groceries, maybe expensive filming gear right there, and I don't want always it to be visible. So with this Carhartt Cargo Liner, I love that I can cover that part of my trunk and also visibility from the second row seat because of this nice middle side right here. It's not just because of the muddy paws, dirt, what my pup can bring, or my muddy boots can be right there in the trunk, but also this extra security and protection for my trunk. And because my Pilot has a 2-row seats in the back, another reason why I like this Cargo Liner, because it actually has zippers right here. So quick note, because this is how I use it. As you can see, I already have a rubber Cargo Liner in the trunk, like this heavy-duty WeatherTech style. And this liner actually protects bottom super well, but it does not fully solve the mess what my dog can create. Because as you can see, the dirt can still slide around on the sides. It can also be dirty right here in the back of my back seats right there. And as you can see, my pup is actually demonstrating it to you how he becomes so wiggly while we try to clean his paws out after our muddy walk. And it's also can get dirty right here if you have like a bigger dog and your dog just jumping up and down in your trunk, or let's say if you're loading some groceries right here, so it will all can get dirty. So for this reason, I got this Carhartt Cargo Liner, because for me, it's like a second step, right? So I can protect not just the bottom, but I can also protect the sides and my back seats. And I love that with this Carhartt Cargo Liner, it can stay put. So because of this Velcro, can easily attach right on the bottom of my trunk. And it also has nice metal clasps right here. So this could be my first layer. And like I said, the weatherproof tag will be my second layer. And if you don't have a rubber trunk protection, this Cargo Liner can become your just one and only layer. And then you can just forget about stressing out all the time about, is my trunk dirty? Is it something messed up? This could just become your only one main protection. So let me actually show you why this Cargo Liner is designed not just for pretty look, but also for the messy life. And I can show you all of the details. So as you can see right here, we have a big main section for the cargo floor. And then the parts that go up and protect the seat back is right here. And as I show you this middle section, you can open it up. And I also love that the side panels, they can also help to protect the walls of your trunk. So that's actually a very big deal, because your dogs can scratch or maybe shake off some dirt right there. And also right here on the bottom, we have a bumper flap. So when your dog jumps in, or you can load some heavy duty groceries, your bumper is protected too. So that's actually a little detail, is very underrated, and that's why I love this trunk cover. It starts sticking right away because of this nice Velcro right here in the back. So now let's talk about installation of this Cargo Liner. And as you can see that I have a 3rd row seat, so my trunk is a little bit bigger than normal. And that's why our flap right there is covering the back of the seat. But generally what you need to do when you start installing this cargo liner, number one, you need to put it all flat right here on the bottom, and you may need to adjust it multiple times because this Velcro, they actually get stuck like super quick. And you can see sometimes it's hard to take them out, but you need to align it more in the middle, like right here. And you can see it covers the sides very well. And after that, we just come and put it around our back seats. And another thing I want to emphasize too, that look at these buckles, and not just plastic, they're actually heavy duty metal buckles. And you can also adjust them right here. So let me install one on this side. And another thing too, you can see that we have a Velcro right here too. As you can see right here, I can easily adjust this Velcro right here on the side. And if you need to adjust a little bit according to your car, of course, you can move it a little bit back and forth. And while we're planning to tighten this part up, I also want to emphasize and tell you that you can see it has so many Velcros right here, one in the middle, one in the side. So when you put it, and also it has the same for the middle, you know, if you have a third seat right here in the middle. So when you put it closer to your seat, number one, this buckles is super easy to close, but you can also adjust it. Like if I want a little bit more down or if I want more up and covered all the way, you can see that with this Velcros, it just stick right to your car right here. And it's also covering very, very nicely. So yeah, let me actually tighten it all up and I can show you the end result. And here I want to show you how I'm tightening it all the way up. And as you can see, it's very heavy duty. It's actually made super good. I like that. It's just basically Carhartt quality, right? And yep, you can see we can tighten it all the way up. More adjust how it needs to be. Adjust it more right here. And then I can just hide the flap. And yeah, as you can see how it looks right here in the back. So let me adjust the second one. Now I can show you how it looks. And after we tightening it all up right here, as you can see on this side and also on this side, I want to show you this quick side panel in the middle very quick. So as you can see, we have the zippers on each side. I just opened one of the zippers on one side. We still have another zipper right here. And if I have something longer to put in, like fishing poles or anything else we're hauling, I can still use the space without compromising protection. But if my dog definitely jumps up and he has a muddy paws, then I can just close it all up and not compromising the cleaning the back of my seats. Here's the end result. You can see we already installed our Carhartt cargo liner. And one of the points I want to mention is you can see it looks a little bit different. And that's because I have a larger trunk, because our third row seat is actually down. But if it's say I put it up and then I still need the coverage, I can always move it more forward. And then I can have this flap hanging over the side. So I can cover all of my area. And it also depends on the size of your car, if you're driving bigger vehicle, but the coverage is what it's matter, right? And I also want to show it to you, look how nicely it looks on the sides. It literally protects my trunk from dirty, muddy paws. Look at the back too, where's my pup sitting right there. If he comes in inside this trunk and he decides to shake because he's too wet or he's too dirty, it all comes to this Carhartt cargo liner that I don't need to worry about cleaning my car all over the place, and then I can just throw it in the washer and just get it done. And also, quick side note, if you're improving your dog car setup in general, I actually have a video about screw lock carabiner, and I can put it somewhere right here. And that one seriously upgraded how I secure things in our car. And here's also my WeatherTech proof liner right here. And as I said, you can also leave it by itself, this Carhartt cargo liner, or you can do what I am doing, as you can see right here. Use it also as an extra protection. And as I mentioned before, look at the sides. They all covered. It's covered right here, covered all in the back, covered all on the side. This was such a great upgrade for my trunk. Super happy with it. And I think somebody else is very happy with it. Shake. Good boy. Overall, now my trunk feels like a dog-safe zone. And if you do a lot of outdoor stuff like beachy days, camping, hiking, and your trunk gets messy easily, this Carhartt Cargo Liner may be a perfect solution for you. We absolutely love it and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye, YouTube!